home to Segunda Katiba, famously known as the Ferrocerizan First. Let's explore how this house connects us to the past.
Casa de Segunda was declared National Heritage House by the National Historical Commission of the Philippines in 2000. Its architecture reflects the blending of Spanish and Filipino design with its stone ground floor and wooden upper level. As you can see, this is the portrait of Casa Segunda. You have
Casa Segunda was not just a residence, but a cultural hub. The Katimbak family hosted many gatherings here, where ideas about art, culture, and politics flourished.
Casa Segunda is more than just a house. It's a reminder of our rich heritage and the stories that shape our nation.
visiting places like this help us appreciate where we come from and inspire us to preserve our culture for future generations.